how to use Fax app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Fax app. Fax is an application that allows you to send and receive faxes directly from your mobile device. In order to use the application, first of all, you will need to download and install the Fax application on your mobile device. Once after downloading the application, open the application and register for an account. After that, here, you will land on this home page. Here, in order to send the fax, you will need to enter the country code and the recipient mobile number, and then tap on this add image or document option and then select a document from your device. Once after tapping on it, a pop-up will appear. Here you may choose one of these options based on your preference, and after that tap on the send button at the bottom. Once after doing that, you will land on this page. Tap on send now at the very bottom, and then you'll be able to send your fax. Also, you will need to subscribe to any one of the subscription available here in order to unlock new features. So by following these steps, you should be able to use Fax application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.